One thing that intrigued me, and it's with a uneducated and naive mind,
Sure.
you talked about changing how we see or perceive information in terms of space and time.
Yes.
You talked about compressing it and so on, and how that changes the outcomes. Does it also fundamentally, materially change the shape of the data itself? So then it doesn't mean different things to different people as a result, because we've changed the space and time.
That's a very good question, and what I would say to that is, so where you're standing, so to everybody in the audience, right, where you're standing right now, every single person in this audience has a unique perspective of you, right? So like if you hold up your microphone real quick, right? So to everyone in here, that microphone has a different weight in every single person's mind, yet as human beings, we have similar wiring that tells us that that weight is close enough to a microphone that we all understand it,
Yes.
right? And we have to understand that as a fundamental to human, to intelligence. And if we're able to do that appropriately, then I believe that problem really doesn't exist, because it's more a matter of the supply chain of where you're sourcing information from, and less of the value of skewed perception or potentially skewed perception.
Yes.